Hola, muy buenos días. Mi nombre es Dayana Marcela López Bustos. Soy estudiante de Psicología de la Universidad Nacional y a distancia del CEA Yopal. Actualmente también me desempeño como auxiliar de enfermería, una experiencia que me ha permitido fortalecer mi vocación del servicio, mi interés por comprender el comportamiento del ser humano. En este video realizaré un ejercicio de calentamiento vocal, uno de proyección y otro de dicción de la voz. Posteriormente leeré el texto en inglés propuesto por la guía y finalizaré con una lectura de un poema en español. Ejercicio de calentamiento vocal. El ejercicio que seleccioné es un calentamiento vocal para preparar la voz antes de hablar. Se realiza: inhala la nariz durante 4 segundos, exhala por la boca. Luego vamos a pronunciar ma, me, mi, mo, mu, pa, pe, pi, po, pu. Repetimos por segunda vez. Inhala por la nariz. Exhala por la boca. Pronuncia ma, me, mi, mo, mu nuevamente. Pa, pe, pi, po, pu. Ejercicio de proyección y dicción. 1 minuto. Este ejercicio busca mejorar la pronunciación y proyectar la voz sin necesidad de gritar. Pronuncia despacio y luego un poco más rápido. 3 tristes trigues tragaban trigo en un trigal. Después, Pablito clavó un clavito en la calva de un calvito. Finalmente, pronuncia con buena articulación. Hoy hablo con claridad, seguridad y confianza. Bueno, vamos a dar la reflexión, la cual el autor es Mario Benedetti. No te rindas, aunque estás a tiempo de alcanzar y comenzar uno nuevo. Acertar tus sombras, enterrar tus miedos y liberar el lastre y retomar el vuelo. Pronunciación en inglés. Good morning, everyone. My name is Dayana Marcela Lopez. I am a psychology student at National Open and Distance University UNAP and at CEA Yopal campus. I also worked as nursing assistant. This experience has strengthened my vocation for service and my interest in understanding human behavior. In its video, it will first perform a vocal warm-up exercise, then a voice protection and direction exercise, and will read get English text provided in course guide, and finally in will read poem in Spanish. Ejercicio de calentamiento vocal. Then ejercicio in select it as vocal warm-up that prepared my voice before spine field inhale through my nose for seconds. And it inhale word primer marking el sound. Net it dog with trim. No in front a pouring mame mimo mu pape pipo pu. It repeat with ejercicio de proyección y dicción. With ejercicio well improves pronunciation and projects in voice it will towing far inside until lead forward. It next. Check with same short finality its sign will clear articulation to die in pitch, clarity, conflict and assurance. Shelves of my life. Since it was liquid, their time life can change in single moments, in grip up, saying in of every difficulty left lesson and how every person on came into in my life. Towing taught me story will or children, dreaming of toys, I dream on Elwin people. What were suffering it becoming a teenager. It discovered some strong doors no man never screamed in. It meant hitting after every fall. Many times it tan sound dreams were too far away, but it always found reason to get going. Today I am psychology student and I'm also work in the art car field. Every patient, every co-worker, and every experience let me make an empathic can turn okay? A person lives a tension of like a many trains because it imagines that every book respect a story on what before and for why thought for one every web shooting he net young cake yo every more side of my dreams because if are that spirit web go on one afternoon after alone and tearing die he found an old notebook on par veins waiting opening it was super in thoughts my night written on three parts get ready and discovered the sorrow about imports moments from mine children my teens years and my reply a motoring park was paid it describing future what am not like Jeff, it's all my reason and psychology and pain mining is people record of and fit a ton some net waps playing hockey and thought a notable research tennis dietoin in both them what's impacted and one and in mysterious nothing from die on Amsterdam time so word not in explanation with only words might then come through team and invite the city that every time he doubles my longer white for opportunities to go to in love in what word discipline